this is Dhruva Mundodi and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlogs. So friends, if you are a vehicle enthusiast and you have many vehicles lying around your garage, you definitely need some tools. So when it comes to tools, we never mind of organizing it properly. We just fill it in some bags like this, or we may keep it in some cupboards or shelves, and it will not be organized properly, and when in need of a tool we actually don't get it. In the sense, we might have kept it in a bag. For example, I have kept a spanner inside this bag and it's very hard to take it out. Okay, also sometimes we will misplace it inside some shelves and we forget where we kept it. So the same thing happened with me. So I have many bikes in my garage. I have a 1969 Jeep, a Skoda Rapid and a Maruti 800. I have a trailer. So when I have all these bikes in my garage and when I have all these four-wheelers in my garage, I definitely need some tools. Okay, but at the end of the day, when I'm in need of some particular tools, I'll never get it. Okay, because I might have misplaced it somewhere in a shelf, or I might have kept it in a bag. No, I never know where I have kept it properly, because as I said, I never thought of organizing my tools. So to bring an end to this problem, I thought of purchasing a toolbox or a tool organizer. And then I started researching about different toolbox options in the internet, as well as I went out to the open market in search of a particular toolbox which has got better organizing options as well as which is budget friendly. And then I came across this website called Buildskill.com, and when I opened their website, they had so many cool gadgets which are related to automobile sector, which are related to construction sector, and they have many different products on their website. Okay, so I came across this toolbox which costs about 1700ish. Looking at the description, I felt it is good as well as budget friendly, and then straight away I ordered. So let's not waste our time, let's quickly unbox it and let us see how the product is. So the product comes in a very good packaging. They have made waterproofing packing as well. So let us quickly open it. Packing is really good. Proper care has been taken so that the product will not get damaged or dented. Initial impression looks good. Okay, so here you get a seal which is punched on the metal which says Buildskill, and then here brand name is printed on the box, and the painting is just like a typical toolbox. So this is the handle. Now let us open the toolbox. Okay, just try to, so only this part of the handle you can bend it, and this part cannot be bent because they have fixed it using some kind of a rivet. So this is the first step. I'll have to find out how to open this. Okay, I have to pull it out like this. So you have this many compartments to fill your tools. So from outside, the fit and finish looks just fine to me. I mean, the coloring, everything is just like a typical toolbox. And on the inner side, since they have fixed these boxes using rivets, some kind of a rivets which is movable actually, so I feel the finishing could have been little better. If I have to say the negatives, I feel this is one negative thing. I mean, they could have done the finishing little bit better. Other than that, if you ask me how hard it is or how durable you feel, I feel it's pretty durable as of now, and the painting, everything is just perfect. Okay, so now let us fill some tools inside this and let us see how we can organize our tools. I'll just randomly keep some tools. So I have filled so many tools inside this box now. So let us see if we can close it properly. Actually, there is plenty of space left. We can fill more tools. I have just kept some tools for trial purpose. So I'll close it like this. Okay. So here they have given facility for locking as well. And the quality of this latch is just okay. But the Toolbox itself is made out of a good quality materials. So now let us see if it can withstand the weight of these tools. Yes, definitely the rivets are holding good. So overall it's a pretty good product, and I'll definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a toolbox on a budget. So the purchase link will be given in the description box. Please go through it, and if you have any comments and queries, please write it down in the comment box. By the way, this is my new RX 135 project. The video will be coming up soon. So that's it for today, guys. For more such informative and interesting videos, please stay tuned to my channel Mundodi Vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now, and please share my videos with all your friends and contacts. Thank you, guys.